This lesson focuses on installment loans. To help your credit score improve, the credit bureaus would like to see two types of credit on your credit report. Number one, an installment line of credit. Number two, revolving lines of credit. This lesson focuses on installment lines of credit. An installment line is different than a revolving line of credit because it is for a set period of time and it requires the same payment each month. Like revolving lines, the size of an installment line does not matter. The only thing that matters is that you have an installment loan reporting to the credit bureaus. Paying off a $500 installment loan will do just as much for your credit score as paying off a $50,000 installment loan, which is why it's so important to get one immediately. Some examples of installment lines of credit are car loans and leases and other loans, such as loans for furniture or computers. Oftentimes, it's difficult to know whether you are being offered an installment loan or a credit card. Another example of installment lines of credit are credit rebuilding loans that report as installment loans. Let's review each of these. Car loans and car leases. We do not recommend buying a car simply to get an installment loan reported to the credit bureaus. That said, if you are planning to buy or lease a car, use it to your advantage and find a car dealership that will help you improve your credit score. Car dealerships that cater to customers with poor credit are not interested in helping you improve your credit score. They sell only to people with poor credit, so why would they offer an incentive to help you improve your credit score? You would never return and buy another car from them. Instead, find a car dealership that provides loans to people with good credit and people with bad credit. This way, the dealership will have a loan option for you at a lower interest rate when your credit score improves in 12 to 24 months. Make sure you seek a dealership that will proactively understand the credit improvement process. They should understand that this is a stepping stone loan that is not long-term. So if you're looking for a new car, keep this in mind. Other types of loans. We do not recommend buying furniture, a computer, or anything else simply to get an installment loan reported to the credit bureaus. However, if you're buying something and need to finance it, you might as well improve your credit at the same time. A common misconception is that you need to keep a loan for a long period of time before it helps your credit. That is not true. Any type of paid installment loan or line reporting to the credit bureaus will help. If you're buying something and want it reported to your credit, make sure you ask the following question. Will this be reported to my credit as a revolving line of credit or as an installment loan? Make sure that they are not offering you a retail line of credit or a store credit card. If they are, the line of credit will appear on your credit report as a revolving line of credit and it will 100% be utilized, which means your credit score will drop. We discussed this more in the extra credit lesson on utilization rates. Chances are, the person you're talking to will not know the answer to this question. If that is the case, ask for the finance manager. If no one can answer your question, do not take the loan. One other thing to remember. If you are ever offered an installment loan with the promise of something like no payments for 12 months, do not accept this. It will hurt your credit score. Credit rebuilding loans. What if you do not need to buy something like a car or a piece of furniture or a computer? To rebuild your credit the fastest, you should get a credit rebuilder line. Many credit unions or local banks offer this type of service to attract new clients. However, if your bank doesn't offer this, we have one for you. It's called the 720 Credit Rebuilder Program, and here is how it works. We partnered with a nationwide financing company that approves our clients regardless of their credit score or income. When you apply to join our 720 Credit Rebuilder Program, you will make small monthly payments for 12 months. Most importantly, these payments will have a similar impact on your credit score as a monthly car payment would. Each payment will be reported to TransUnion and Equifax as an installment line of credit. You will also receive a free review of your credit report with a 720 representative who will pull your bankruptcy discharge papers from the courthouse, compare your credit report with the discharge papers, and then either give you the dispute letters to send or send them for you. This is a particularly important step for people who have declared bankruptcy. Correcting errors could cause your score to jump 1 point, 10 points, 50 points, or even 200 points, depending on the severity of the error. As part of this credit rebuilder program, your enrollment into 7 steps to a 720 credit score will be extended from 6 to 12 months. And lastly, you will receive priority access to our monthly question and answer calls, where you will be pre-invited to ask for personalized guidance for a full year, instead of the standard 3 months. By far, this is the easiest way to improve your credit score, and in our experience, this one line item on your credit report can add 50 to 100 points to your credit score. To learn more about this program, visit www.720installmentprogram.com. With that being said, the bottom line is that you want to have one current or paid installment loan or line reported on your credit report. Onward to 720.